Hi, I'm Barry Levin from DEVAYA Yoga, the Yoga Color and Sound. And are you looking for a better way to achieve calm and balance in your busy caretaking life? Well, stick around because you're in the right place. Sure, on the surface, you're making great progress. Your career's taking off, taking on greater responsibilities, you have the appreciation, admiration of your peers. But on the inside, you're still a mess, still learning how to deal with anxieties, self doubts, which in turn can create procrastination, a lack of focus in the workplace, and needless to say, an inability to unwind with loved ones after work. If this sounds like you, then give me a follow and go through my content where I'll show you how you can use yoga and breath work to center yourself, or simply feel good, feel calm, become more present, to float through life with self-confidence, and to find that perfect balance of work and play. As a master yoga trainer, I have helped scores of caretakers find clarity, confidence, and purpose, as well as balance in their life. Are you open to see what's present? It's open to see what's possible? Then click below and let's embark on this journey together. I'll see you on the other side.